Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can send videos from your camera as snaps in Snapchat app. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So, let us get started with you. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. And now you will need to record a short video. Do so, tap on this circle right here. Hold for a few seconds and let go. Next, you will need to tap on this plus at the bottom. Now import media. Next, you will need to select the video clip that you already have in your camera. Next, check the box. Now, click on the video that you shot on your Snapchat camera, then the trash can and delete it. Now preview. And then click send. And now you can select someone you'd like to send it to. And as you can see, you can make sure that this video, it's not sent as a video, it's sent as a snapshot to a specific user. Friends, I hope this video was helpful to you. You have seen how you can very easily send a camera video as a snapshot to someone on Snapchat. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.